My name is Charles Chen. I am a wellness chef. I gained over 100 pounds. I was pre-diabetic. I had heart problems. Food actually saved my life. I transformed my life through food. My family actually comes from a history of being diabetic. My grandma was diabetic, my aunt was diabetic. It's a lot of people, it runs in the family. I was diagnosed with being pre-diabetic at the age of 15. Went to the doctor and he just said, you need to lose weight, and if you keep going down this route, you're gonna die at a very early age. To me, to hear that at the age of 15, while my friends are outside playing, was a huge wake-up call, like, holy shit, this is real. The scariest part about being diagnosed as pre-diabetic was I thought, oh, this is just something that old people go through. 50-year-olds, 60-year-olds, I'm not saying that's old, I'm just saying older. You never thought it would be you. And I think that's with any diagnosis. People were like, no, I didn't want to deal with it. It took me like 2 days. I was a little traumatized. All these illnesses and diseases that can be easily prevented with nutrition and lifestyle. That means we can prevent these things. If we can prevent them, why are we not doing it? So we're bombarded with different brands and different people with their own ulterior motives that doesn't have the best interest for us. There needs to be more wellness warriors who step up and talk about these things and give people the tools, because if you are surrounded by liquor stores all day long, all these fast food joints, you're gonna only do what is really convenient, because I did. But if you know better, you'll do better. So my whole thing is like, I want to educate, but also in the meantime, entertain and have fun with it.